eye with a friendly pink tongue named Toodle. Toodle wasn't just any tongue. He was the guardian of the long oo sound, a magical sound that made flowers bloom brighter and fairies giggle. One sunny afternoon, a tiny, shy fairy named Luna fluttered up to Blue Lips and Toodle. "Oh, wise Blue Lips," she whispered, "I need to learn the long oo sound to make my magic sparkle true. My spells are all ah and you, and they don't work." Blue Lips smiled a wide, reassuring smile, and Toodle wiggled happily. "Don't fret, little Luna," said Toodle. "We'll teach you." Toodle stretched and curled, showing Luna how to make the sound. Blue Lips made gentle, swirling sounds that echoed around them, explaining how the sound waves flew out. Luna practiced, repeating, "Ooh, ooh, blue." The more she practiced, the more her tiny wand sparkled. Soon, with a confident "ooh," she cast a spell that painted the sky in a beautiful indigo hue, and all the fairies clapped their tiny hands. From that day on, Luna's magic was perfectly powerful, thanks to the wonderful long oo sound.